So this week we are talking all about our pliés, and today I just wanted to give us a little bit of an overview of what they even are. So plié means bent or bending, and we typically practice this exercise in first to fifth positions, usually leaving out third. We want to make sure that our weight is evenly distributed amongst both feet, and we want the movement to lower and rise at even speeds. We kind of want to treat each plie like it's taffy and make sure that we can really feel our muscles becoming more pliable and our joints loosening up and getting a good sense of our balance, making sure that we get a good grip on the floor and we're able to push off. Our plie set us up so we are able to better execute our adage work and our allegro, so all of our slow stuff, and all of our fast work. Pliés are super important, pretty much regardless of what technique you're studying, be it ballet or tap, and definitely jazz. In jazz, we traditionally go more parallel than turned out, and tap uses just a softer, not quite true demi-plie. As we go throughout this week, we're going to actually break down more what a demi-plie is, a grand plie, and each of the positions that we can execute them in, and go over how our pliés impact our fondue, so a plie on one leg, and how it helps with our adage and our allegro work, and some of the challenges that we can work on overcoming when it comes down to all of our plie work. We look forward to seeing you the rest of the week. Thank you.